Of course, it's still not too late to buy and start investing in Tron, TRX in 2022. If you look at the price predictions that have been explained by the experts, you can see the prospects for the price of Tron, TRX, which will gradually increase. Besides that, Tron is also moving to develop Non-Fungible Token, NFT, in the game metaverse. Similar to Cryptokitties and Axie Infinity on the Ethereum blockchain, Bunny Planet is a metaverse game project under construction on the Tron blockchain. Thus, it is important to remember that the cryptocurrency market remains highly volatile. Thus, it is very difficult to make an accurate prediction of how much a coin will cost in a few hours, and even more difficult to provide a long-term forecast. Tron, TRX, price movement. TRX was originally an ERC-20 token before finally migrating to the Tron network in 2018. TRX entered the market with a value of about $0.002. Not much changed during the first 3 months, during which TRX mostly traded between $0.001 and $0.003. December 2017, TRX experienced significant price movement as it rose to $0.04. At that time, TRX market capitalization exceeded $1 billion for the first time. Then, TRX jumped more than 400% in less than a week. Tron TRX price movements throughout 2018. On January 5, 2018, for the first time, TRX reached an all-time high of 21 cents. It was at this time that TRX market capitalization hit its all-time high, reaching nearly $14 billion. However, this rise was also followed by a crash. TRX has lost almost 3/4 of its value and has fallen below $0.06. The price of TRX then fluctuated slightly over the next 3 months, and then saw another increase in late April 2018. At that time, TRX value doubled in less than 2 weeks. Unfortunately, the euphoria of this hike didn't last long. Over the next 3.5 months, TRX gradually fell back to $0.02. TRX price movements over the next 2 years were not as dramatic as before. Tron, TRX, price movement. Tron, TRX, price movements throughout 2019-2021. TRX was around 4 cents in June 2019, but didn't last long. On March 12, 2020, TRX had bottomed out to under 1 cent after falling 45%. This price move marks the start of a period of steady growth over the next 5 months. In late August and early September 2020, TRX doubled in price quickly, but then fell back just as quickly. The value of TRX has been fairly stable for the rest of 2020 despite not having any significant gains. However, at the start of 2021, the price of TRX started rising again and broke above $0.06 for the first time in almost 3 years. TRX rose to $0.1799 in mid-April 2021. Later, TRX slumped to $0.049 as the market bottomed out in July. After that, the price rose to $0.129 during the November rally. TRX closed 2021 at a value of $0.0754. At the time of writing this article, the current value of 1 TRX to IDR was IDR 898. Tron, TRX, price prediction in 2022 according to experts. On April 7, 2022, a Tron technical analysis from Coincodex predicts that sentiment on TRX will be bearish, with 6 indicators showing buy signals compared to 24 sell signals. Even so, Wallet Investor's prediction states that the price of TRX will be positive on the long-term outlook. The crypto asset is expected to touch 0.114 in the US within 12 months. Wallet Investor also said that the price of TRX will reach $0.277 in April 2027. On the other hand, the prediction of TRX digital coin is optimistic that the price of TRX will increase in 2022. Based on historical data, the site estimates that the average TRX will be at a value of $0.086 in 2022. Tron, TRX, price prediction in 2025 according to Cryptopolitan. The average Tron price prediction in 2025 is around 29 cents. With the estimated lowest Tron price at $0.28 and the highest Tron price at $0.35. Meanwhile, according to Digital Coin, the predicted Tron price will reach an average of $0.26 in 2025. Likewise, price predictions, where they predict the price of Tron in 2025 will be at $0.26. Thus, if you are considering investing in crypto assets, make sure you always do thorough research. Look at the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and other expert opinions before making any investment decisions. Remember that past performance does not guarantee future profits.